What is going on, guys? This is how to blow up a YouTube playlist video. YouTube playlist, music playlist, whatever kind of playlist you want. I do music though. I was just checking this guy's profile because I saw his LaBarbie playlist. He has a LaBarbie playlist here. 50 views! That's what kind of gave me the idea how to blow up a YouTube playlist. I was actually looking for my LaBarbie playlist on here. This is mine right here. When I search LaBarbie pretty, for some reason this video shows up. My playlist here, even though I was looking for a different playlist. This is still my playlist, one of the biggest playlists of all time. Alright, let's get into it. To blow up a playlist on YouTube, I was looking for this playlist. My pretty playlist. Such a nice collection. Nothing but LaBarbie pretty videos. Alright. To blow up a playlist. Well, you're just gonna add videos to the playlist manually. You're gonna go to save to playlist. Click these three little dots here. Save the playlist. New playlist. We're gonna call this Iggy Test Playlist. We're gonna leave it private for now. We're going to keep adding songs to it. Keep clicking these three dots. Going to Iggy's save the playlist. Go to Iggy's test playlist or whatever you call your playlist and click on it. It'll show up right here. Save to Iggy's test playlist. You can make the playlist as big as you want, at least as big as YouTube allows. 5,000 videos, I think. I'm not sure. Make them as big as you want, or as small as you want. It'll always be one of the biggest playlists to ever see the light of day. Put anything in your description. Playlist for my video. This is a playlist for my video. Edit playlist with this little pencil sign here. Click on privacy, private. Click on public. Save! Click on save. In a few minutes, this playlist will be one of the biggest playlists to ever see the light of day. Everybody is seeing it right now. Holy smokes. In a few minutes, it'll be one of the biggest playlists to ever see the light of day. Maybe more than a few minutes. More than a few minutes, guys. 10 to 15 minutes. That is how you blow up a YouTube playlist. By doing it manually, logged in on your profile, on your account, on a computer, and doing it manually with a keyboard and mouse. That is how you blow it up. Simple idea. Very simple, easy working method. Now that you guys know that, I'm gonna let you guys go now. That's the whole tutorial. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys next time.